Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to learn how to run bulk WhatsApp campaigns using the Office 24 by 7 platform. Before we get into the actual steps, let's understand the purpose behind this feature. WhatsApp campaigns are one of the most effective ways for businesses to reach their audience instantly and personally. Whether it's for sending promotional offers, event updates, reminders, or simple greetings, WhatsApp ensures higher visibility and engagement compared to traditional channels like email or SMS. To start running a WhatsApp campaign, you first need to activate your WhatsApp business account and create the message templates you want to send. Both of these actions are done through the add-ons panel. We've already covered how to activate your WhatsApp number and create templates in a separate video. You can find the link to that tutorial in the card above or in the description below. Once your number is activated and the templates are approved by Meta, you're ready to move forward. Now let's get into how to actually run a WhatsApp campaign. Go to the Campaigns menu and select WhatsApp. Under WhatsApp, click on Bulk WhatsApp. This is where we'll create and launch our campaign. First, give your campaign a name. This can be anything you prefer, something that helps you identify the campaign later. For example, I'm naming this one Seasonal Discount. You could also name it after a specific offer, event, or announcement, such as Summer Sale, Feature Update, or Discount Week. The important thing is that your chosen template should be approved by Meta before you send it out. The campaign name also plays a key role in tracking results, as you can later view how many messages were sent, delivered, and read. Next, you need to select the message template you want to send. For this example, I'm choosing the Seasonal Discount. Once selected, you can preview the template before sending it out. Click on the Preview button, and you'll be able to see how the message will look on both Android and iOS devices. If you're satisfied with how it appears, you can proceed. If not, you can either pick another template or return to the WhatsApp add-ons panel to make a new template. Now let's move to Contact Settings. This is where you choose who you want to send the campaign to. There are three options available here: Quick, Custom, and List. Let's start with Quick. This option allows you to enter mobile numbers manually, one number per line. You can type them directly or simply copy and paste them from an existing Excel file or contact sheet. For instance, here I'm copying numbers from my Excel file and pasting them directly into the Quick feed box. You can add up to 10,000 numbers this way. Once the numbers are entered, you can also choose to schedule the campaign. Just select the date and time you'd like the campaign to be sent, and Office 24 by 7 will automatically execute it at that scheduled time. If you'd rather not manually enter or paste numbers, the custom option gives you a more structured way to upload data. This lets you upload your customer contacts through an Excel file. Before uploading, you can download a sample file to understand the required format. When you open the sample file, you'll see that the one column is the phone number. The remaining columns can contain additional details. For example, in my file, I've entered phone numbers in the second column, names in the first, and company names in the third. Once your file is ready, click Browse File and upload it. The system will then display the columns from your Excel file. In this example, I can see the columns for name, phone number, and company name. You'll now need to map which column contains the phone numbers. So here I'm selecting the phone number column. After mapping, schedule your preferred date and time and click Submit, and your campaign will be queued and sent automatically. Now, let's explore the third option, List. This feature is especially powerful if you're managing your contacts within the Office 24 by 7, CRM, or other application modules. Lists let you pull contacts directly from your CRM database and send campaigns to them instantly. To give you a quick recap of how lists work, go to any of your CRM objects. Say the Leads object under the Sales CRM module. Click on Filters, apply your preferred conditions, and once the filtered records appear, click Save as List. That's it. Your list is now saved and can be used in campaigns. You can also view all your existing lists by going to the List or View panel. Here, you'll see two options: Dynamic Lists and Static Lists. I'm selecting Static List for this example. In the table, you can view all the static lists you've previously created. You can also create a new one right here by clicking the Add button. Just enter a name and description, click Browse File to upload your list file, and click Submit. The file size must be under 30 megabytes. Now, let's go back to our WhatsApp campaign setup. I'm opening the same seasonal discount campaign, but this time I'm choosing the list option. As soon as I click it, all my existing lists appear in a side panel. From here, I can choose the list I want to use. Once selected, I'll again need to map the column containing phone numbers, select the date and time for scheduling, and proceed. Whether you're using Quick, Custom, or List, once you click the Submit button, your campaign is automatically sent according to your configuration. There's also an additional feature worth noting. You can create WhatsApp message templates directly from the Campaigns panel without needing to go to the Add-ons panel. To do this, click Templates, then click Add Template. The process is exactly the same as creating templates in the Add-ons section. Define your template, add sample variables, and click Save as Template. You can monitor the approval status of these templates right here as well. Once approved, they'll appear in your bulk WhatsApp list and can be used in campaigns immediately. Once your campaign is executed, you can monitor its delivery status from the WhatsApp module. In the WhatsApp panel, you'll see the campaign name, in this case, Seasonal Discount, along with all the phone numbers to which the messages were sent. You can also check whether the messages are sent, delivered, or read. The panel provides detailed insights into campaign-wise initiators, delivery reports, and DLR statuses, so you can clearly track how your WhatsApp campaign performed. And that's how you can run bulk WhatsApp campaigns using Office 24by7. You can add contacts manually, upload them via Excel files, or directly use your CRM lists, whatever works best for your business. With automated scheduling, live delivery tracking, and meta-approved message templates, your WhatsApp outreach becomes faster, smarter, and more reliable. Thank you for watching this video.